From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Violet Skybor.
Good evening, everyone. We had some gorgeous weather today, and it was on the hot side, but tomorrow looks even hotter with a heat advisory in place. But first, taking a live look outside from our Cabby Tower cam towards downtown Utica. Partly sunny skies today, and then we're going to be dealing with some unsettled weather heading into your Monday with even the chance for some severe thunderstorms. But the main concern is going to be the heat tomorrow. We have a heat advisory in place. This runs from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. on Monday for heat indices around 95 to 100 degrees. And what that means is that's what it's going to feel like because of the high humidity. And this is for southern Oneida, southern Herkimer, Madison, Shenango, Otsego, and a lot of the state as we look off towards the east. So be careful if you're going to be outdoors. Stay hydrated, find shade, don't be outside for too long periods of time. Tomorrow, we're also going to be dealing with a threat of severe weather. That dark green shading in the northern half of the state has the best risk. That's the marginal risk zone. It's still a very low chance, but some of the storms we see could produce some damaging gusty winds. So be careful if you are going to be outside tomorrow. This is all going to be along this cold front that's out to our west. This is moving east, and as that moves through the state tomorrow, that's going to bring the chance for some thunderstorms, mainly the second half of the day. Ahead of that cold front, we have some very hot air, and that's why we have a heat advisory in place. This is off to the west, and as that slides in, again, it's going to be very hot tomorrow. But right now we're seeing dry weather outside, all thanks to this high pressure system still to our south. But as that moves out, again, we're going to see that unsettled weather into tomorrow. So dry right now from our Adirondack Bank Storm Tracker 2 radar and satellite to nice and warm as well. 79 degrees up in Inlet, 80 degrees for Bill and Old Forge, 84 for Lou and Barneveld, 86 for Mike in New Hartford. Heading down to the southern valleys this evening. 85 for Stewart and Cooperstown, 82 for Mark and Milford, 83 for Scott and Edmiston, and 82 degrees over in Cassville for Helen. Dry outside this evening, temperatures in the 80s, staying dry into tonight, not cooling off much. Lows only drop down to 70 tonight. You'll definitely need that AC. Starting off your Monday dry and already in the 70s. We're not expecting the rain to arrive until afternoon. Around 2 p.m. is when it looks to pop up along this line, and that's going to push throughout the afternoon and evening. Again, the chance for some of these to be severe. We'll get a break from the rain overnight Monday, but then Tuesday we have again the chance to see those storms pop up. So for this evening, partly sunny skies, temperatures in the 80s, staying dry into tonight with partly clear skies only dropping down to 69 degrees. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. Unsettled weather Monday and Tuesday, hot on Monday in the low 90s, cooling off into the low 80s and staying in the low 80s for the rest of the week.